Hello everybody. So in this quick video, this is Monica Gary, and I want to talk briefly about how I lost over 40 pounds each of my pregnancies. Now me, naturally, I am small, and each of my pregnancies I gained about 40 pounds every time. I had 4 kids and I always gained 40 pounds, right? So a lot of women I know are having issues or have had issues with losing the baby weight. Like, how do you lose the baby weight? So it's no secret. It's no like magic trick thing. I always say it because I'm very practical when it comes down to eating healthier. I try to take a practical approach and when I teach it. So I'm gonna give y'all a few quick tips on some things that I do, and this is like without exercise. I don't have anything against exercise. I exercise all the time. I haven't exercised as much lately, but I will just tell you some things I've done. First thing, cooking at home cooked meals. I'm a big fan of cooking at home. You know what you put in your food. You can determine the ingredients, how much salt you put in, how much fat you put in it. You can determine that. So that's very big, cooking for yourself, number one. Number two, no fat diets, no. I don't believe in I know people do certain things, but it feels like a fad. Okay, I'm going to do a grapefruit diet. I'm going to do this for 10 days and lose 10 pounds. Okay, you do that for 10 days, you lose 10 pounds, what happens? It's going to come back because it's not something you can do for a lifetime. So I try to do is I normally go back to eating how I normally eat. When I'm pregnant, I do eat more. When I was pregnant, I eat more, of course. But when I'm not pregnant, it kind of goes back to my normal eating pattern. Then you have little small kids, I'm busy. So, hey, next thing I would say is I'm a breastfeeder. I do breastfeed. And if you are out there, you are breastfeeding, or you're pregnant, you think about it, I think it is something you hate. It's coming from you, it's natural. Also, you're burning more calories when you are breastfeeding. So being a nursing mom, that's one thing that helps as well. Next thing is increase your plant-based foods. Plant-based foods deal with fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, seeds, things that come from the earth. So those foods help because you don't have to worry about having loaded sodium consumption. Most of it's not loaded with sodium as you're adding a lot of it to it. Fat, beans, fruits, vegetables, those things. Plant-based sources. So getting more better in your diet helps. How much better are you getting in your diet while you're doing more junk foods? The last thing I would say is the fried foods. Not eating the fried food. So that's something I never been really big on. A lot of fast food. So I don't do fried foods. I get my air fryer and I'm good to go. Literally every day I do use an air fryer, but don't fry. And it's just something I've always pretty much done. I don't do a lot of frying, and I don't fry at all. So I think that helps. And it's like small things that we know. It's just being consistent with it. So I'm not giving you anything you probably haven't heard, but it's like, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying? So you can definitely lose your baby weight if you're struggling right now. Like I said, I have 4, and he is 7 months. He's 7 months, and I've lost all of it, and then some. But yeah, I have lost all of it, but it wasn't like something I was like just focused on like that. I was just doing what I normally do, and I have increased more plant-based foods, full plant-based diet now. So that does help. But in all my pregnancies, I've done at least 40 pounds. I've gained at least 40 pounds, and I've lost it. So I just need to share those quick tips. Be consistent. Drink plenty of water, of course. Make sure you do that. But it's no magic trick. Do the work, you see the results. Pretty much, be consistent, you see the results. So that's all for today. Make sure you do subscribe to the YouTube channel, Steps for Change. Like this video, share with someone you think may need the information, and I will see y'all